Good day everybody. I'm just continuing. I just did one video with this painting over here. I'm letting that sit. I've got some more resin, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another one in a kind of an opposite way. So the last one, the transparency were being poured over the matte, the opaque, which was my white, angel white. So now I have this gorgeous purple gold new metallic pigment. I'm just pouring it over, and because it's so hot here, everything is starting to set a little bit on me. So what I'm going to do is just going to add a little bit of this clear around it and just help it along a little bit. When you're working in a warm environment, your resin will set very quickly, and it will it just heats up. This cup is so hot, and the other day I did a video where it was so warm in here and I didn't really want to put the air conditioner on because I just wanted to get on with it as I do. And yeah, the resin started smoking, so it was a little bit scary, but I know what I'm doing, so just be careful, have the right temperature happening. So I'm just bringing this over to the edge. It's transparent, as you can see, especially where it's being mixed with the clear. Personally, I love working with resin which is starting to set, because I just love the texture that it gives me, and it's not moving as quickly. It's not kind of running all over the place. So here we go. Some of that's going to kind of flow over. I'm going to actually do have a little bit of white mixed, which is brilliant. So I'm going to go ahead with the Peacock Dance. It's a new shade. Right in the middle, like I did the other one. The whole thing is going to go in there. And I might just pop that over there just for fun of it. And I've got some of the Misty green, just to separate it. Some of the olive gold. This is such a beautiful green color. I just love it. I just totally changed my taste in colors since I started mixing these colors. Also, another thing that you need to know, that was a happy green. Another thing that you need to know is that I mix all these colors myself. Roxane red, just a red with a little hint of gold in there. It's quite an opaque, and I'm going to put some white in there as well, and then going to go with some more of these greens. The colors are authentically Le'Rez colors, because I mix these myself, so you won't find the same shades and the same mix with the same ingredients anywhere else. This is it. They're very, very unique. A little bit more of that. It keeps kind of flowing that way, and I will let it. That's quite okay. I don't mind. I'm just going to allow the painting to do whatever it wants. Sometimes you just have to kind of rely on luck. A lot of the time, actually. And some more of this gorgeous olive green. Pop it over the top of it. And might just put some more of the white over the top, because I'm kind of running out of everything. Bit of white over the top, and maybe some of this red. Wow, okay. That one's done. And then I just might just scrape up whatever I've got left and just put it around. Like so. There is a difference in layering, you know, how you layer your colors. People very often asked me, and it just, you know, the question keeps popping up, so I thought I might just mention it in every video, that, you know, if you layer your different kind of thicknesses, I will just call it thickness rather than saying density or opacity or whatever. Just give me a second, just going to torch it for a little bit. It does make a huge difference. That's, oh my god, that's already looking gorgeous. I've got a bit of a leak going on there, which is, you know, it's fine. I just wish I had my my airbrush handy, and I don't know where I put it, because I just want to airbrush it, but I don't. So I might just use my trusty old heat gun with my attachment and just blow that white and all that stuff over my purple. Give it a little heat first. Actually, I might just add a little bit of this red just because I've got some left over, just to patch up those bare bits, as I call them, because they are bare. And I just want to kind of do that. So that's done now. Let's go. That is so crazy. And I'm going to leave it like that. Super, super crazy. As you can see, different effect again. But lots of little cells. Because those opaques and transparents, you know, they're all, oh my god, this cells of red. Beautiful. And this kind of silvery green, misty green. And the lucky green. It's just looking really, really yummy. So I might just add a little bit of this white just here and just kind of give it that heat again. That's that. That's done. That is done and finished. Not even gonna bother. Got lots of little cells there happening. Absolutely stunning. This is just what I'm going to do to tidy up that bit there and pull it back like that. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to do, oh my god, look at that. I'm going to go down and just show you the close-up. The bits that are drooping down, I'm just going to allow them to cover the canvas. I'm not even going to bother doing the sides. I'm just going to let it happen as is, except for maybe these bits here, which I really need to fix now because that's way too close to the edge and it's not done. And there's always like a little bit of even like half a drop left that you can just kind of fix that. And that's just what I've done right there. Like that. Sometimes you can pick up from the bottom, which is what I'm going to do now. And just, you know, gives it extra character, which is just amazing. And things are just happening there. Beautiful. Well, I thank you all very kindly for watching. This piece and the previous piece in the previous video are going to be giveaways. So the only thing I would like you to do is to maybe just share this video on your Facebook and tag me in it, please, so that I can see that you've shared it, and you will be put in a draw for one of these beauties. You can give them away. You know, Christmas coming up now, so you can just give them away, or you can cut them up if you want. Whatever you want to do with them, and use them as skins. I don't care. They are going to be free. So, yeah, that's it from me. Love you all, and thank you all for your support. And enough of my talking. I will see you in another video. Bye for now. Oh my lordy lordy. Okay. Check out the cells everywhere. Those little red cells I was telling you about. Going through that green. Oh wow, doesn't that look like some sort of a dragon or something? Right here? Where is my finger? Oh, here it is. Right there. Doesn't it? Finger, not my ring. Okay, there it is. Right there. Check it out. It just reminds me actually of like a monitor lizard. Wow, that is so crazy. Cray to the max. Lots of little interesting little things happening there. I really like it. Let me know what you think, as usual. Wow, can you see a person in here? In there? Oh, wow.